Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap Review video, we're going to look at 5 reasons to upgrade to Pro. LeadsLeap is completely free to join, and it's been online since 2008. So there'll be a link in the description where you can sign up for a free account. It'll take you to a page like this. So it just says here, join free, and then you can build any business online with LeadsLeap. You can get free traffic, free tools, and 4 different ways to earn income. So I'm going to take you to the inside the back office, and I joined for free, but because I decided to use this platform every day to build my online business, I decided to upgrade to Pro. And I'm going to have a look inside here. I'm going to show you all the different functions and the 5 reasons. A lot of people don't realize you can actually earn residual income with LeadsLeap, even as a free member. So we'll have a look at that as well. Please click subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications if you like Make Money Online videos. So I've now done over 200 videos on my channel on all different aspects of making money online. Website traffic, lead generation, marketing systems, social media, how to get sales. So lots of different aspects of making money online. If you like playlists, then you'll see under my playlist section, I've done 10 LeadsLeap Review playlists here, and I'm going to pin that playlist to the top comment under this video. So let's go now and have a look at the 5 reasons. I'm going to click on Pro up in the top left here. So when you first join, it's quite noisy and quite busy, LeadsLeap. Um, don't get too overwhelmed. There's a lot of information when you first join, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing or the home-based business industry. Um, Everything's really user and beginner friendly. Excuse me. So just take your time with it. So I'm going to click on Pro, and what this does, this gives us a free versus Pro comparison chart. So the first thing we're going to look at is residual incomes. If you decide that you want to promote LeadsLeap as a free member, then you can earn, it says here, you can earn affiliate commissions. So as a free member, you earn 25% of the monthly membership. But by upgrading to Pro, you earn 50% every single month as long as that member remains a Pro member. So that's one advantage of going Pro with LeadsLeap. The next one we're going to look at is the ad exposure. Um, so let's have a look down here. So these are the ads here. So you'll see here, these are all the different adverts within LeadsLeap. They're all categorized into different make money online categories, whether that be list building, internet marketing, MLM, software, lead generation. They're all categorized, but as a Pro member, you get more ad exposure. So you'll see here, um, you get the ad booster. So Pro ads that promote new launches will be featured in the members' homepage, and also Pro ads that are rated 5-star are also shown in the homepage. And if I scroll down here, actually I need to go back onto the dashboard just to show you that. Bear with me. So what that means is these are the 5-star ads here. These are, so you need to be a Pro member to get your ads here, and also I think that's where it actually means. So let's go on now and have a look at the Pro ads themselves. As a Pro member, you're going to get 10 ads. As a free member, you get three free ads. As a Pro member, you get 10 adverts. So you'll see here, here's all my different ads. I've got 10 active ads. all getting real visits. And another advantage of being a Pro member is you don't have to click any of the ads to get credits. So this becomes automated advertising and automated traffic. You can still click these ads to get credits if you want to do that. So you can always do that to get more traffic and more credits. But as a Pro member, you don't actually have to click any ads. So that equals more traffic, and that equals more exposure, more leads and sales for you. And there's also with the followers. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at the followers. I'm not quite sure on the list where it shows you the followers, but what I'll do is I'll just show you the followers under my category here. So as a Pro member, what happens is you get spillover. So you'll see here, these are my direct referrals. I've referred 21 people, 21 members to LeadsLeap. But what happens is, as a Pro member, you get what they call spillover. So they've given me this week alone four spillover members, and they've also given me a total of 90 in total of spillover members. So what that means is you also get more traffic from those, and you can also do what's called message followers here. So by being a Pro and then letting LeadsLeap give you more followers, you can put a followers message in here. So I've got a message here that just promotes my YouTube channel, and I've had 5 visits from there just in the last week. People looking at my YouTube channel. So that's people going to the channel, people looking at the videos, people signing into my email list, and people buying products. So it's a great way to funnel your way. It's a nice lead, a nice free way into leading people into seeing your other products and your other businesses, and also a great way to build your email list as well. So let's have a look now at the list management system. So this is the autoresponder. So what happens with the free autoresponder as a free member, you can build a list with the free autoresponder. One of the great advantages of using LeadsLeap with the list manager. But what happens is you're not allowed to send out an email series. You can send out a broadcast, 10 per month, but as a Pro member, you can actually send out an email series, a recurring broadcast, and a subtle verification. So that's another advantage to being a Pro member. You can build up not just build an email list. You can also build up an automated email series that will go out automatically, rather than as a free member sending the broadcast. Now, this is one of my favorites here. This is what's called the social reviews. I love the social reviews. I've written several reviews, and the reason I like these reviews is because people always Google reviews before they decide to join a product or a service. They're always looking at reviews to see if it's genuine, if it's not a scam, if other people are using it, what sort of results they're getting. So you'll see on here, I've done a Hercules review. I'm in the process of doing 2 more reviews here. I've done my daily choice review, my lead gen secret, prosperity marketing system, traffic ad bar. Now these reviews get ranked in the search engines. So if I just go back here and show you the traffic, all this is free traffic for me. All this here, clicks here. So all this is free traffic. All free traffic, automated, publish content, write a review once and just let it automate and get yourself free traffic. Let's type in here Hercules review. So people go into Google and they type in Hercules, and you'll see that LeadsLeap is number 2 with the social reviews. So number 2 in the search engine. I do believe it's above YouTube videos, and I do believe it's also above it's also above the Hercules official website itself. So these reviews, because LeadsLeap is a high authority site, and it's been online for nearly 13 years, then these reviews, you'll see my review in here as well somewhere, these reviews get ranked highly in the search engines. And then you can do your review, and then what happens is they give you a link that you put in here, and then you can get sign-ups. Now, as a pro member, what happens is your link gets rotated more often. So if I go into here, we see social reviews. You get more advantages as a pro member. So your link gets rotated 4.5 times versus 4.5 times versus 1.5. So your affiliate link to the review program will be rotated in the review page based on this ratio. And you also get a top recommendations booster, and you also get a newsletter booster as a pro member. So the newsletter goes out consistently to 119,000 LeadsLeap members, and then your social review goes out into those, and that's how you get more clicks. That's how you get more sign-ups, more referrals on your reviews. And if you don't like writing reviews, all you've got to do is just have a look at the other ones, but just give an honest opinion. Of any product or service that you're using, and you'll see here there's hundreds of different reviews and A to Z on here of all different reviews with anything to do with making money online. So have a look at those. Don't copy and paste. Just get some general ideas and write an honest review of your product or service, and then that way you can get ranked in the search engines. So that's really the 5 reasons today. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and that will help me with my with the YouTube algorithms. I'd appreciate that. If you want to see more videos, click subscribe. And if you've got any questions on LeadsLeap, then leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all those for you. So thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and bye for now.